Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Data. So what is going on with Bitcoin and all of the altcoins? Bitcoin has had another crazy rally. It's up over $17,000 and it's showing no signs of slowing down. This thing just keeps going and it's so crazy to see it, just how far it's come from a month ago. So in this video, I'm going to go over a couple good articles that were published today, as well as an altcoin that I see having a lot of potential for the rest of this year, as well as continuing in 2018. So looking at all the coins today, it seems like most of the altcoins are in the red. With Bitcoin having this parabolic run, it seems like a lot of people are transferring their money out of altcoins into Bitcoin. Just in my last video, I mentioned a couple reasons why I thought Bitcoin was going to reach $20,000, as well as a couple people that are in hedge funds that have actually, told me that they believe strongly it's going to reach 20,000. So it's a lot of good information I've gotten, and I see this run, going up at least another 10-20% before the end of the year. So definitely keep an eye on that. Looking at Ethereum, we have, it's up a little, the $435. But as you can see, most of these altcoins are in the red. Monero's up a little bit. Some of the big risers like EOS down 10%. We have Lisk down 10%. A lot of these aren't doing too well. And again, it's just because people are transferring their money to Bitcoin right now. So, it's always good to nibble on some of these prices, while they're down. They may go down the next couple of days, who knows? So again, not putting all your eggs in one basket, but just trying to take advantage of some of these lower prices. So with that, I want to talk about an altcoin that has actually been doing pretty good lately, and one I actually made a video on a couple days ago. So this coin is called Dragon Chain, and I made a video about it 2 days ago stating what it was and actually, my view on it and why I think it could reach $1 before the end of the year. So basically it's a Disney company, and they're backed by Disney. They're started by Disney, and they're involved in making it easier for businesses to get involved into the blockchain and implement it into their business. So they basically give you a turnkey design, which is ready to go, and you can just automatically implement it into your business because it uses coding such as JavaScript, C++, or Python that a lot of businesses already use. So there's not really any learning curve. So that's what makes them so popular. They're going to be dealing with a lot of other company ICOs in the future, and they actually provide a lot of benefits for holding their coin. So this coin is actually, you can see it's went up over 18% today. When I made a video about this 2 days ago, it was at 23 cents. So, it's already went up nearly 20%, and I definitely see this going a lot higher. There's a lot of people talking about it, and I see a lot of potential for it. So again, check that out if you haven't. It's a great coin that has a lot of potential for the future. So with that, let's look over some Bitcoin news that I found today. So actually, Goldman Sachs is clearing Bitcoin futures, meaning they're going to give the okay for their investors and everyone to look into getting into Bitcoin futures. So it says they're planning to clear Bitcoin futures for some clients as the new contracts go live on exchanges in the coming days, a spokesperson for the bank said on Thursday. And it said the bank, which helps clients buy and sell derivatives, is evaluating the specifications and risk attributes for the Bitcoin futures contracts as part of our standard due diligence process. So that's big news. Goldman Sachs is a huge bank. It's one of the largest banks. And they're definitely, they have a lot of capital and a lot of income. So for them to, allowing their investors and clients to buy and sell the derivatives, then that's huge. So that's going to create a lot more cash flow into Bitcoin, as well with every other investor coming into the market. So this is great news. It's just another person getting involved, another big investment firm getting involved. So it's just more great news for Bitcoin. And then this article was actually one that really caught my eye. It mentions how Bitcoin topped 16,000 and it has a $271 billion market value that passes Home Depot's. So here it just mentions, the constant rise that Bitcoin's had, And then it also mentions that its market cap eclipsed Home Depot's market cap. So, Home Depot is a huge hardware store. They sell a lot of different products for homes and just everything, related to homes. And for Bitcoin to pass them, that's a big deal. $270 billion. It says here that Bitcoin has more net worth than 488 out of the 500 US companies on the S&P 500 stock index. So only 12 companies are worth more than Bitcoin. So that's telling you a lot. I mean, all these companies who've been in business for 10, 20, 30 years, Bitcoin was just created in 2009 and it's already has more market cap than all of them. And we're just in the beginning. So this is great news. It mentions that it's actually a third of the market cap of Apple, and Apple is 867 billion, and Bitcoin's already a third value of that. So a lot of people are calling for Bitcoin to be $2 trillion market cap in 5 years. With the rate it's going, it could be sooner than that. So I thought this was great news. And you have people on CNBC's investment show Mad Money, this guy Jim Cramer, saying Bitcoin spike is parabolic compared to a rocket just after launch. You have all these people just talking about Bitcoin now. And, we were all talking about this 5-6 months ago that this would be happening, and it's already happening. Actually, it's a lot faster than a lot of people thought. And, it's getting into the early and, just holding throughout all the volatility. So it just shows you how fast Bitcoin is actually growing. It mentions 21 million coins, and there's already, I believe it said, over 16 million coins were mined already. So that goes to show you that there is, a lot of demand for Bitcoin. And this analyst at Swissquote Bank said that the Bitcoin rush is not over, and she can see it getting to 20,000 by Christmas. So again, I mentioned my reasons why I thought it would hit 20,000 in my video yesterday, and I'm not backing down from that. I really believe it's going to hit 20,000, go even higher, because there's so many hedge funds that are going to get into this that a lot of people don't know about, and it's just, we're just getting started. So again, we're in a great time right now. Bitcoin just keeps rising. And again, take advantage of some of these cheap prices on these altcoins. They could keep dropping, but, don't be scared to buy them when they're down, just a little. But, right now, all the money's in Bitcoin, so that's your safest bet. But, again, it's not investment advice, just my opinion. But, I just thought I'd give you all, hope that some of this information could help you out. If you like the video, please do give it a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give $50 worth of Bitcoin away to 2 of them. So again, just trying to give back to the community. But that's all I have for today. So thanks for watching. Till next time, see ya.